Dan Swanson reporting from a low water crossing around 70th and R. Around 11:30 a.m. a thunderstorm came through and dumped about an inch of rain over the first half hour at Nebraska City. Some farmers are reporting up to 2 inches of rain on already saturated ground. The heavy rains both today and yesterday are quickly flooding city streets, causing some traffic problems. A tree on the 1200 block of First Corso owned by Dan Sullivan was ripped out. Dan Gittinger, the public properties director at Nebraska City, said that it appeared that the roots showed some deterioration and the ground was so saturated that what roots were left were just pulled from the ground. The storm, as you can see, has caused a lot of high water, and elsewhere the creeks are full. But any forecast of rain could result in additional flooding. This is Dan Swanson reporting for NCNewsPress.com.